This is OEM exhaust for Yamaha R125 and I am going to put this back on because I haven't decided which exhaust I want to go for next. So for now, I'm going to put this exhaust back on Yamaha and of course show you how it's done. Whether you're installing or uninstalling the exhaust, all you need to do is remove the exhaust guard. It's held by 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 1 there, 4 and 2 pins underneath. Here is my trusty ball. Let's start removing the bolts. There are 2 tiny pins right here, so we can disconnect them. All you have to do is press like that and pull out. Just to show you how these small pins work, they are sitting like that and all you have to do is press and they pop right out. And when you want to put these pin backs, take this out, push this in first and then thread the pin and press to make it flush, and that's how these pins work. So now the exhaust guard should just pop right out. I need some space. Okay. Like that, like that. The reason I'm taking the exhaust guard off, so I have access to the bolts. As you can see, I have taped it up earlier when I took the exhaust off, so no contaminant gets in. Before I mount the exhaust, we need to install the auto sensor. 2024 model has one auto sensor and 2025 model has two auto sensor, and there is another one right here. Just so you know, don't buy a wrong exhaust, otherwise you're gonna have to drill or send it back. Here is the number 17. Okay, that's good enough. So now we can put this exhaust on the bike. Before I install the exhaust, I need to take off this tape and I need to install new gasket. So let's take off this tape. Of course, I need to remove the gasket. So I'll take my key and just push it down like so. This is the old gasket. Here is the brand new one by Yamaha. Like so. Perfect. Okay, let me grab the bolt. Got the nuts right here. Come on, stupid nut. Okay, that's one. Let's do the other one. I don't know how well you can see, guys, because of my hand. Okay, and now if you look over here, I can take this bolt. Okay, just for the time being, put the nut on so it will hold in one place. Now we can start tightening it slowly. Oh, I'm being so stupid. Try to tighten evenly from both sides. Okay, that's one good. Okay, now the torque for these is 20 Newton meters. So let me get my torque wrench. There we go. There we go. Need to tighten the exhaust bolt, and that is also 20 Newton meters. There you go. Last thing remaining to be done is connect the O2 sensor, which is right here. So this is the O2 sensor. This clip fits right here. Let me show you closer. Yeah, that's better. So this clamp fits right here, and the sensor goes right here up. So install this first so it can hold the cable in place. Come around, take the O2 sensor and connect it. Voila. That's how you uninstall and install exhaust on Yamaha R125. Let's hear it. It's not gonna be pretty. OEM exhaust. If you still got some questions, leave them in the comments. As always, ride safe. See you on the next one.